This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Salivary glands. Another structure in the mouth that is very important is salivary glands. Salivary glands release their secretion into the duct that lead to the mouth. There are three main pairs. These are exocrine glands. The parotid gland, the submandibular gland, and sublingual gland. This is parotid, submandibular, and sublingual. Parotid gland. These are situated one on each side of the face just below external acoustic meatus. Each gland has a parotid duct opening into the mouth at the level of second upper molar tooth. Submandibular gland. These lies one on each side of the face under the angle of jaw. Here. Two submandibular ducts open on the floor of mouth, one on each side of the frenulum of the tongue. Sublingual gland. These glands lies under the mucous membrane of floor of the mouth in front. Composition of saliva. Saliva is combined secretion of salivary glands and the small mucus secreting glands of oral mucosa. About 1.5 liter of saliva is produced per day and it consists of water, mineral salt, mucus, lysozyme, immunoglobulins, blood clotting factors, and digestive enzyme, that is salivary amylase. What are the functions of saliva? Number 1, chemical digestion of polysaccharides, or we can say starch. Saliva contains enzyme amylase that begin the breakdown of complex sugars including starches, reducing them to disaccharides to means maltose. Enzyme action continues during swallowing until it is terminated by strong pH, acidic pH 1.5 to 1.8 in the stomach, which degrades or destroy amylase. Lubrication of the food. The dry food entering in the mouth is moistened and lubricated by saliva before it can be made into a bolus ready for swallowing. Cleaning and lubricating of the mouth. An adequate flow of saliva is necessary to clean the mouth and keep it soft, moist and pliable. It helps to prevent damage to the mucous membrane by rough or abrasive food. Non-specific defense. Lysozyme and immunoglobulins and clotting factors present in the saliva combat invading microbes. And taste. The taste buds are stimulated only by the chemical substance present in the solution. Therefore, dry food stimulates the sense of taste only after mixing with the saliva. So, saliva also help in taste.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.